Covalent bonds can be nonpolar. Notice the complete sharing in methane gas of a pair of electrons. Here's the carbon, here's the hydrogen elements. There's a complete sharing. In water, however, there because oxygen is much more electronegative than hydrogen, this shared pair of electrons tend to be pulled closer to oxygen. What that does is that it creates a partial negative charge on the oxygen element and partial positive charges on the hydrogen elements, making water a polar compound. Now, what this does is that it gives water its unique features. So, see the oxygen, hydrogen, the polarity or partial polarity on the hydrogen is attracted to the partial polarity on the oxygen. So, properties. Even though the hydrogen bond is the weakest in the three types of bonds, it pretty much plays some key roles. So, for example, water, if you think of ice, its solid component, water is one of the few elements that compounds where its solid form floats in its liquid form. And because of this weak hydrogen bond, it gives water a high boiling point. Ice can float on water because of the spaces formed between the compounds. And this is good because you do not want lakes or streams to freeze from bottom up. It pretty much freezes from the top, allowing life to exist below. Water is an excellent solvent because it can dissolve a lot of substances. All right. Sometimes water, especially in mammals, allows us to cool from overheating. Certain invertebrates and insects, because water has a tendency to stick together, can actually walk on water.